Good morning, guys. This is Mac from Cryptstar, and today I want to make a short tutorial show you how to go ahead and stake USDT, USDD, LP to go ahead and earn sweet rewards on the SunSwap exchange. Now, this tutorial is based on holding a Nano Ledger S, and it's using the Tron Link wallet. You can also follow this tutorial if you just have a normal wallet. As a disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor, and I do not go ahead and tell you should go ahead and buy USDT. It is a stablecoin, synthetic stablecoin, so it's a little bit risky. Anyways, please do your own research and make sure that you want to go ahead and jump into this. Let's go ahead and jump into the tutorial. Let's go ahead and head over to the SunSwap page, go to the Tron Link wallet. From here, you just want to go to Add Wallet and go to Pair Hardware Wallet. Now, after you have gone ahead and connected your hardware wallet, and I have connected mine, I'm going to put in my password here. Once you go ahead and input your password, press Done Next, and then go ahead and grant permission, and you should be good to go. So now I can go back to my Tron Link, and it'll show me my address, and you can see Ledger 3 is here. Go ahead and confirm, and then press the back button, and you go ahead and I can see my Ledger 3 and my USDT in here. I do not recommend going ahead and purchasing Tron and then swapping Tron or TRX into the USDT token from the SunSwap exchange, because the rate for USDT to USDD is much better. So make sure you go ahead and go on Binance or on whatever exchange you use, and use an exchange that can withdraw USDT to the TRX20 network or the Tron network. Okay, so from here, we're just going to go ahead and swap USDT to USDD. Press USDT and then go to USDD. Very easy. And let's go ahead. It should show me my balance here. I'll connect to wallet. Sorry. So first, what you want to do is go ahead and press connect to wallet and press on the Tron Link wallet. And connect to my Ledger device. Very easy. Now you can see my balance shows up here, 1,400 bucks, and we're just going to go ahead and divide that by 2. That's about 735 bucks, just as a random guess here. And then go ahead and swap, and you can see there's only like about $4 of slippage for $700. It's not too bad. Now remember that that's not too bad. Let's go ahead and press sign to approve and check on your Ledger device. Review transaction. Now let's go ahead and confirm the swap. And you can see here the transaction fees is mostly what takes up the transaction itself. There's actually not a lot of slippage. So in order to do this, it says here you need to go press sign by hash to allowed in Ledger Tron settings first. So we're going to scroll all the way to the right in our Nano Ledger S, and then double click on settings. Then go to sign by hash, double click on that. And then now it says allowed on my Nano Ledger X or Nano Ledger S. So I'll press confirm and just go ahead and sign. And now it's going to let me review in my ledger. And I just signed the transaction on my ledger. Okay, so the swap is now complete. We can go ahead and head over to the USDD site, and we can stake on the USDD platform right here. Let's go ahead and stake right here, stake to earn. Press that little button and connect to the wallet on this website as well. Make sure that the URL is correct at the top, sun.io, no other, not sun.anything else, just sun.io. Now I'm going to connect to my Tron wallet. I'm going to go ahead and add all the tokens in a balanced proportion. I don't really care about that too much. Let's go ahead and just deposit the tokens as it is. And hit sign to approve, and it should pop up on my ledger here. Review transaction. I'm scrolling to the right, press sign, and then you have to do one more signature to go ahead and sign and approve, and you'll review that on your ledger again. Sign the transaction. Looks like we have to do one more signature here. In order to do this last one, you have to go to please set custom contracts to allowed in the Ledger Tron settings. So to do that, we're going to go head over to settings again. Then it should be the first setting on allow extra data and contracts to not allowed. Then just double click and it'll change it to allowed. Then you can go ahead and go back to the Tron application, press confirm here, and press sign. Looks like I still have to do this press custom contracts. Okay, let's try this again. And let's go ahead and deposit the tokens. Let's press sign. So you can see here the transaction got sent. Looks like the first one you had to go ahead and approve it, and then the second one you had to go ahead and deposit it. Now once that's done, these balances should go down to 0 in just a second. Okay, once you've deposited the liquidity, go ahead and press the farm tab right here and scroll down to the first liquidity pool, second pool LP. And here you're going to stake your liquidity points or your liquidity pool points. So just press the stake button, press max here and deposit. And then you're going to see your fee and your resources. The fee is kind of high for this, so if you want to watch another video of mine, I'm going to post a video on how to go ahead and get resources, energy, so you can reduce the fee. But anyways, just press sign. It says here that I have to change my settings a bit on the Nano Ledger S, so I'm going to settings underneath the Tron app and then going to custom contracts and double clicking on it so it says allowed on the very bottom. Then I'm going to go ahead and go back and hit confirm here and press sign. Now it says review contract. You go ahead and go all the way over to the right and then hit sign contracts or sign transaction here. Press the double buttons and it says the transaction sent, waiting for confirmation on chain. And that's actually it for this. Now if you have a failed confirmation, it's because you don't have enough Tron in your wallet. So if you do it correctly, you should have enough Tron, and then your LP position will be deposited into the farm and you'll start seeing rewards here. So you can see here I'm actually getting rewards already as soon as I deposit. Now, if you want to go ahead and check your rewards, just go ahead and refresh the page. If you want to learn how to stake Tron and get energy and bandwidth and also Tron power, be sure to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to go ahead and post a video on how to do that in the near future. Thank you for viewing, guys, and have a great day.